Hello students. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will tell you the easiest way to understand present indefinite tense. So let's get started. The present indefinite tense is one of the most commonly used tenses in English. We use it to talk about daily routines, general facts, and scheduled events. Let's talk about its structure. Subject plus base verb, V1, plus object. But for he, she, and it, add s or s to the verb. Here are some examples. I play football. She plays football. Notice that we use s with she. For negative sentences, we use do, does plus not plus base verb. Here are some examples. I do not like tea. He does not watch TV. For questions, we start with do, does. Here are some examples. Do you like ice cream? Does she go to school? We use the present indefinite tense for daily habits, like I wake up at 7 a.m. Universal truths, like the sun rises in the east. Fixed schedules, like the train leaves at 6 p.m. Remember these rules, and you'll master this tense easily. Keep practicing. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Learn with Rumi, and let me know if you have any question. Thank you for watching.